impact does having the right job role, so the job criteria, how
Yeah.
does that affect the rest of that process?
Yeah, and I love that you asked about the job role because I think before you even get into a job advert or a brief to a recruiter or anything that you write down, you actually need to really work out what you want that job to be. And one of the things I've been talking to a lot of our clients about and a lot of, individual delegates is every time somebody leaves your organization, you've got an opportunity to rebuild, to change things in the team, and often because of a lack of time, we just replace, the person that's just left. And inadvertently, we might replace them sort of like for like. We might even end up hiring somebody that looks and sounds like the last person because we're kind of on an unconscious way, maybe just trying to fill a gap, But what I encourage people to do is to think about, well, what's going on in your organization right now? What are the challenges that your team is facing that might be different than when that person joined or when you did your last hire? I was working with a group the other day, and someone said, "Well, no one in our team has left for over 10 years." So I was saying, well, yeah, absolutely. What's happened in that last 10 years is going to mean that when one person goes out, the best replacement for that, person is unlikely to be a like for like. And I think once you do that, you also give an opportunity to other people in your team. So it might be that, you can add things, to other people's roles or additional responsibilities. And then you might end up hiring a different person, to the person that just left, because actually, the circumstances in the situation have changed.